Today, we take you inside one of the largest coconut processing factories in China.
Millions of coconuts arrive here every day to be transformed into creamy coconut milk.
The process begins at coconut farms, where fully matured coconuts are carefully harvested.
Only high-quality coconuts are selected for factory processing.
The selected coconuts are loaded and transported to the processing facility. Upon arrival, coconuts are unloaded in massive quantities. Automated conveyor systems move coconuts into the processing line. Each coconut is inspected to remove damaged or defective ones.
The coconuts are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities.
After washing, the coconuts move toward shell-breaking machines.
Powerful machines crack open the hard coconut shells with precision.
The hard shells are separated, leaving behind fresh coconut meat. The discarded shells are recycled for other industrial uses.
The clean coconut meat continues through the production line.
Machines peel away the thin brown layer to ensure pure white meat. The peeled coconut meat is washed again for hygiene.
The peeled coconut meat is washed again for hygiene.
Fresh coconut milk flows through sealed stainless steel pipelines. Homogenization creates a smooth, creamy consistency. A final filtration guarantees ultra-smooth coconut milk.
Every shipment is sealed for safety. The warehouse stores thousands of cartons daily.
From factory to markets across the globe. The final product reaches store shelves.
Smooth, creamy, and naturally refreshing.
Perfect for cooking, baking, and beverages.
A result of precision and advanced technology.
This is how coconuts become creamy coconut milk.